guys, so in this video we're gonna transform the rear end look of my 16 BMW M4 F82. Specifically, we're gonna swap out the exhaust tips for a lot larger tips, and we're gonna put a real carbon fiber diffuser. So let's unbox the parts, look at the parts first, and then we'll throw them on. So the first thing is the exhaust tips. Not gonna lie, I already opened them way back and look at them because I couldn't hold the excitement. But I didn't open the diffuser yet. I had this thing for almost 3 months. So we're gonna open this one together and look at it. For all what I know, it could be all damaged or whatever. But the exhaust tips, guys, check this out. Check out the size of this thing. Insane. Let's open the other one and then we'll compare real quick. All right, hope you guys can see it right there. I can probably put this one on top of it if I wanted it. That's crazy. That's crazy how much larger they are. Ooh, who opened my trunk, dude? Anyway, let's get the diffuser opened. First look at the diffuser, guys. Dude, that looks awesome in my opinion. So, quick proof that it's true, real carbon fiber in the back. Super lightweight, guys. All right, let's check out a couple of B-rolls. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get the stock tips off, and normally you would use a rubber mallet for it, but we're gonna improvise since I don't have one. I'm gonna use a real hammer and a little block of 2x4 so that you're hitting the 2x4, not the tip itself, so you don't damage it. So let's see. I'm gonna try this side first. Put it right there. Oh, look, comes right out. Pretty easy. The other side, it's kind of hard, but I'm gonna try to get the 2x4 in there. Whew. That one's kind of harder. Wiggle it a little bit. Freaking trunk keeps opening, dude. What the hell? Ghosts. What I need is something smaller. Hang on. Well, that didn't work. We're gonna further improvise. Some freaking pliers from dollar store. Wrapping the old microfiber. Let me see if I can pull that off with my hands now. There you go. Wiggles right out. Boom. See what they say, practice makes perfect. Another one. Boom. So much bigger. All right. I can already tell it's gonna fit, guys. For sure. It's gonna be so sick. It's so big. Put the old one right there. Damn. Gonna be sick. Dirt in my face. I'm gonna pry these bad boys right here. Oh, that's much easier from here. Just like that. Folds down, and then these bad boys come out just like that. Boom. Good. Let's compare. Hold on. Don't scratch my new parts. Dude, what? Big difference. Crazy big difference. This is awesome, guys. Alright. Let's put this bad boy on. Throw the tips on, side pieces. Let's rock and roll. Alright. That's looking good. There. Very gentle wipe. I want to scratch my stuff up. Alright, well, that wasn't too bad. I thought these screws will align with the holes in this piece, but they don't. So they have nothing to do with the putting this piece up. We have to drill our own holes with the self-tappers provided. So let me get some masking tape, and I'll show you how I do it. So in my opinion, as long as this corner and that corner aligns, I'm happy with it. Alright guys, so we're gonna put the new tips on together on this side. Then I'm gonna assemble everything and show you the completed look. So I'm just gonna use my hands with the slight pressure. It's tight. It's tight, but it's doable. There's a little knob. Sorry, you have to align with the knob on the actual pipe. So I'm gonna get underneath so I can see it better. Boom. That one's in. Oh, this is gonna be so tight. Here, dude, they're so huge. Line, I think. Bam. Dude, what? Sheesh. They look so fire. There you go, guys. She just got a wash. Damn. It looks good. Good, good. I'm loving it. Looks so clean. My opinion, transformed the car like crazy. Alright, let me know what you guys think in the comment section, and as usual, I hope you enjoyed this install. Subscribe for more. Peace out.